Welcome to Cardano Insider. We provide the latest news of Cardano ADA. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Charles Hoskinson, who just turned 35, stated in a recent YouTube video that he has no intention of retiring, putting emphasis on since specialists have attested to the forthcoming bullish performance of Cardano ADA in 2023, it appears that tremendous accomplishments for Cardano are on the horizon, which may begin in the approaching year. The creator of Cardano might not want to miss anything. Furthermore, historical performance is not a reliable predictor of future returns. However, a lot of investors have allowed this viewpoint to cloud their long-term perspective. A mess is Cardano. What impact it will have in the future is a topic that is hotly debated. So let's put that viewpoint on hold and consider the situation from a different angle. Do you know why Cardano's achievements are so remarkable, considering that it is only a trail that will set the tone for future expectations? Many cryptocurrencies have adjusted the trajectory of their positive aims in order to achieve short-term gains, while the cryptocurrency market is still recovering from its May lows, but Cardano has not altered its mission or goals. It is what it is, after all. A well-known YouTube analyst called Bitboy Crypto often posts numerous predictions concerning cryptocurrencies on its channel. He hasn't ceased advocating for Cardano ADA despite the latest accusations made against him. Last year, he looked for an alternative justification for Cardano to eventually overtake Bitcoin. Additionally, he recently forecasted that Cardano may flip Ethereum as soon as its market value increased. He can now see into the year 2023. The stories of survival and the struggles to stay afloat are woven into what this year has in store for Cardano ADA and other big cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin community is currently split on whether the price of tokens will rise or fall in the coming year. Numerous studies and technical indicators indicate that the bottom may be between $12,000 to $16 and $1,000. This prediction is in line with a volatile macroeconomic environment, stock prices, inflation reports from the Federal Reserve, and, in Elon Musk's estimation, a potential recession that could last until 2024. However, with positive perceptions and influencers, Bitcoin maximalists, and a variety of other irrational shoes expressed that Bitcoin could soar to $80,000 and beyond. Of course, both sides can be supported by evidence. The fact that they may be assessed from different time horizons is a huge problem. It is very possible that Bitcoin will decline in the near future but may climb in the middle of 2023. Kevin Sven is expert, according to him. When the 80-week bear market ends in April, we might see the start of a bull market, even if Bitcoin price hikes have been encouraged over time by its deflationary character despite price halvings. The following one is planned for April 2024. And despite the volatility in the market, the deflationary nature of Bitcoin leads to price growth for long-term investors. Let's be cautious about hype, though, and remember that markets and influencers profit from greed. Other analysts predict that there won't be a spike anytime soon or even in the next year. Analyst Gareth Soloway stated that there are few chances that Bitcoin will fall to $3,500. As Bitcoin reaches maturity and regulation gives consumers more confidence, there will be a pivot. I predict that a wave down to $12,000 to $13,000 will have a slight bounce in the short term. And after that, I won't worry if you see less than 10,000, 8,000, or even, in the worst case, 3,500. A very small percentage, but that would be comparable to the collapse of Amazon.com during the dot-com era, he claimed. So if the price of Bitcoin falls below $12,000 or less, transactions will no longer be completed, and this could be the issue that kills the market. What would happen to cryptocurrencies like Cardano ADA if this eventually happened, and more importantly, should we all just get used to the dark times? Due to interest from institutions and pension plans, Rich Dad, Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki is highly bullish on Bitcoin. On October 7th, he tweeted, "Why buy gold, silver, Bitcoin?" The Bank of England's pivot meant purchasing more GSPC during the pension crisis, which exposed central banks to a problem with inflation they cannot address. GNS pension funds are now investing in Bitcoin as they have done in the past. They are aware that false money, securities, and bonds are toast. Given how delicate this issue is, it is best to use caution in our wishes. Nobody can foresee which scenario will ultimately come true, but the fact that the price of the top cryptocurrency is declining remains true. Bitcoins tend to be followed by other cryptocurrencies. Unlike equities, cryptocurrencies are subject to doubt of credibility, but 2023 could see a change in this particular aspect, as constructive regulation will be imposed, and far from being a net negative increased market cap. However, Bitcoin has not enjoyed a good 2022, and many of the best blue-chip stocks have also seen significant falls. However, unlike equities, cryptocurrencies are subject to doubt of credibility. Cardano was still among the top cryptocurrencies to purchase in 2023 because to its unique qualities. It has the capacity to endure severe economic difficulties and develop into a useful investment choice. This is only one of several qualities that have drawn in investors. Plus, Cardano gained a lot of notoriety with the recent hard fork. Additionally, even though the cryptocurrency market is still reeling from the effects of the FTX crash, the Cardano team is optimistic about the platform's future. This includes Frederick Gregory, CEO of the Cardano Foundation, who in a November 15 interview expressed excitement over the project's 2023 roadmap and expressed expectations for the ecosystem to mature outside of the cryptocurrency space. There are numerous things for which I am enthusiastic. There are certain integrations that I can't discuss just now, but I'm hoping they'll happen since they'll make a big difference in the long and near terms. But I believe that seeing Cardano mature outside of the folks who know and love Cardano is what has me the most enthusiastic. Citing Cardano's advantages above the existing mayhem in light of the mayhem we currently witness around us, Gregory affirms that the platform continues to operate, improve, implement, and add value to local communities, and that we continue to explore new approaches to creating and utilizing the blockchain around the world. The CEO responded that spreading awareness of Cord was the most important thing when asked by the host of the interview what the community could do to assist the platform succeed. The use cases of ADA go beyond token ownership. The second part of his response is to make sure that educational materials regarding the blockchain are made available, consumed, and accessible in a variety of languages and delivery methods. He highlighted that the Cardano Foundation will be delighted to make an effort to provide the resources needed to do this, such as volunteering for local communities and blockchain training. Additionally, Cardano has undergone numerous changes in the last 2 years, including the addition of smart contracts and scalability, as well as the acceleration of the growth of his cryptocurrency wallets and the development of a lightweight multi-chain crypto wallet called Lace, which is designed to seamlessly link Web 2 and Web 3 elements into a single interface and is seen as a complete game changer but will become a Cardano and Dogecoin competitor. Now that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has assessed the worth of Dogecoin, it is unclear whether the cryptocurrency will pose a danger to Cardano's success in 2023. Despite the fact that both crypto assets have potential for blockchain development, it is up to traders and investors to decide which crypto to invest in 2019. The most recent trend suggests that Dogecoin could reach $1 by the end of 2023, and it has already established itself as a favorite among traders, as evidenced by the continued growth of its user base. The coin is currently widely used on social media, particularly Reddit. It enjoys a high position thanks to web recognition and regular Elon Musk sponsorships. However, there are many other elements to take into account when assessing the health of cryptocurrencies, and widespread acceptance is undoubtedly one of the most important. Dogecoin, on the other hand, is seen to have fallen following its initial rise by some, and according to an interview with the CTO of blockchain solutions firm Komodo, Dogecoin won't be reaching $1 anytime soon. Dogecoin solely thrives on its status as a meme, and the majority of people do not see it as the currency of the future. Although Cardano may have basic flaws, it may replicate history and, in fact, it can do it considerably better than it did in the early 2021, bull run when it flew to a price of $1 as the rest of the cryptocurrency market went into overdrive. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route